Look at this gorgeous birthday cake. Hard to believe it's made from pipe cleaners, right? We're going to build the whole thing from scratch, starting with a handful of yellow pipe cleaners and a little paper cup. Let's fill it up and see where this goes. We're tucking the yellow straws right into the cup. And now we start wrapping the pipe cleaners around the outside, layer by layer. Watch those colors build up, yellow. Then a stripe of pink. So satisfying to see it come together like this. Almost fully covered now. And guess what comes next? Little hearts made from pipe cleaners, pressed right onto the side. Now we take a clear plastic lid and run a little hot glue right around the edge. Then we press our yellow trim in, looping all the way around. So satisfying to watch it come together like this. Keep it snug as we go. Guess what this little piece becomes? The lid of a fluffy birthday cake, and it's looking adorable already. And there it is. Our little cake is completely done. Every pom-pom, every layer, so satisfying to see it come together like this. If you made one too, we'd love to see it. Hit like, subscribe, and share yours with us.